Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this tiny workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I install this small 12-inch exhaust fan. When I finished constructing this tiny workshop, most of the dust are just floating around, so I really need something that can take those tiny dust out in this tiny workshop, because I do a lot of cutting using my CNC machine. So I'm still on a practicing stage right now, so I really need to circulate the air inside this tiny workshop. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I install this one, and also I'm going to show you is this exhaust fan really works. So let's go. Hey guys, my name is Safran. I'm a designer and I also love building DIY projects. So if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and that would really helps me a lot. So if you like DIY projects, then please like this video and also share it. So yeah, let's go to the video. So there's nothing inside in here in the box anymore. So I'm going to see what's here. So as you can see, this particular exhaust fan is 12 inches, and we test this one in the hardware in the store because I want something that silent, because I don't want the exhaust fan will compete with the noise of the CNC machine. So we had tested this one in the hardware, and then the noise level is really silent, and the amount of air goes out from the back is, I think, enough to suck all the dust or the air from the inside to make it clean. Here's the warranty, and then the manual, a cover to prevent the fingers from touching the blades, because it's very dangerous when this turns on. You might cut your fingers, so we need to install this front cover in here. So there's no more included in the box, just the fan, the warranty card, and this cover here, and then the bolts are just held by rubber band. So I think that's the unboxing part. So let's made a frame for this one so that I can attach it into the wall. So I'm finally done installing the exhaust fan. So that's the final position, and then that's the final output. I also done connecting the wire, but in this case I just use an outlet or a plug. I didn't connect this one alongside with the switch for the lights because I don't want that particular vent to be on in a long time, because mostly I just use the light and then I will not do any cuts in here. So that's why I do separate the connection for that one. So I just wire all around over there and then loop it for the meantime in that area, in that light metal frame, then using this plug here, and then I'm going to test it for the final. So that's how it looks and it sounds. So maybe you can hear it, but it's not that much. So maybe later I'm going to do a test using smoke. I'm going to do smoke test in here. I'm going to use this ventilator or this exhaust fan to suck all the smoke, and also so that you can see if it really works. So I think that's enough for this area, and we'll see the test for the smoke.